Welcome back to the Awesome Agents podcast. Today we're talking about a story that made a lot of developers truly angry this week.
Yeah, and I think the anger is justified. This is the VS Code Copilot co-author situation.
Right, so VS Code 1.118 shipped with a one-line change that silently tagged Copilot as co-author on every Git commit, even if you never used Copilot.
One field, one file, no description on the pull request. The setting for AI co-author got flipped from off to all, and it shipped to tens of millions of users.
Right, yeah, and the weird part is the tag doesn't show up when you type your commit message. You'd only notice after the fact in your Git history.
Which is exactly what happened. Developers noticed it on their contributor dashboards and went back through their histories like, wait, who is this?
Okay, so walk me through what co-authored by actually is in Git, because this feels like more than just a metadata thing.
It is. That trailer travels with the code permanently. Every clone, every fork, every archive of a repo now carries it. It was designed for human collaborators. If two engineers pair programmed a session, you'd add the other person as co-author. That's the intent.
So it's a provenance signal. Who actually shaped this code?
Right. And the Linux kernel project is explicit that AI tools don't qualify. They use a different tag, assisted by, instead. Microsoft went the other direction.
The really baffling part is that it fired even when you had AI features explicitly disabled, fully off in settings, and commits still got tagged.
That's where it crosses from a questionable default into an actual bug. The doc said it only fire on Copilot-assisted commits. That's not what shipped.
How did this pass review? The PR had no description and got merged in a day.
One functional line, most checks passing, opened and merged by people at Microsoft, no community review, no meaningful discussion on the PR.
Then it hit Hacker News and went front page.
652 thumbs down on the PR itself. The signal from users was pretty unambiguous.
So what's the actual damage here? Developers on 1.118 have Copilot listed as a collaborator on commits they wrote entirely themselves.
And you can't easily clean that up retroactively. Those trailers are baked into those commits. Any future audit of AI involvement in a code base now has a false positive problem for every 1.118 user. Tools that try to measure actual AI contribution face noise everywhere.
There's also the copyright angle, which I found genuinely interesting.
So the US Copyright Office has held that non-human entities can't hold copyright. Listing Copilot as co-author doesn't transfer rights, but it creates a public attribution. Some enterprise legal teams require AI-produced code to stay under a certain threshold per file to preserve copyright protection. A blanket automatic trailer makes that accounting impossible.
Because you can't tell anymore which commits actually had AI involvement.
Exactly. The signal degrades for everyone. It's not just about individual repos, it's about what the tag even means at scale.
Cursor handles this differently, right?
Cursor is VS Code's main competitor, and they don't add any trailer automatically. You review the diff, you run git commit, your name is on it. That's it.
Microsoft has promised to revert this in version 1.119. Is that enough?
It fixes the bug, yes, but the process question is still open. How does a one-line change to commit authorship metadata in a tool with tens of millions of users get merged in a day with no description and no community notice?
That's the part that sticks with me. The fix is easy, the process question is harder.
And defaults are policy. This one was just visible enough to get rolled back.
Until 1.119 lands, the workaround is simple. Set git.addAISOAuthor to off in your VS Code settings.
One line. Takes about 30 seconds.
Good to know. Thanks, Maya. Really solid breakdown. We'll be back with more. Take care, everyone.